Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back SLP community to my channel. And if you're new, welcome in general. But I wanted to make a quick video on SLP. I mean, not too many cryptos were moving that much today. SLP was, or at least yesterday we got some big spikes over the course of this morning, I believe, as well. But SLP in general, I mean, since this bullish momentum started in the markets, SLP has been quite strong. I mean, in total, from that initial spike to this spike, it has gone up more than 100%. At the current prices, it's actually still up more than 100%, so that's great. It took some time, but right now, what you see, to give some fundamental background for SLP, what you see first of all is that Axie Infinity is doing great, all right? In terms of users, in terms of hype around Axie Infinity, it's doing great. And then apart from that, I'm not sure if this still matters, but before right now, because right now obviously it's not too great in terms of burn and burning and minting, but over the majority of 2023, SLP has actually been deflationary, and you can see that right here pretty beautifully. All right, so the purple bars is the amount of SLP that's being burned, and then the blue bars is the amount that's being minted. For the majority of the time, SLP's supply is actually significantly dropped down. We have burned about 1.7 billion SLP and minted about 460 million. So there's a ton of deflation this year, which I've always said since the start of this year that SLP is probably a little bit undervalued. Now we still had a ton of bearish momentum over the year, so it's not been great. But I do think this is deserved. I mean, like I said, right now that Axie Infinity is being played more and more, the mints are going up, which is not great. I would love to see the burning going up again, but still SLP technically is bullish, all right? So, and there are fundamental reasons behind that. So now, also, if you look at the open interest, you see a big spike. It's still very high, so I see no reason at this moment why SLP would not continue. All right, it hit this main resistance level right here between 35 and 3700. But right now, I would say it's most likely that SLP at some point of time will also break above that and get to the next price target right here between 42 and 4300. So that's what I expect on the long term. Now, I wouldn't just buy SLP now. All right, I think that's a bit risky, especially also with the bearish momentum we're seeing from Bitcoin. That just is risky. All right, but the thing is that SLP, the confirmation we're going to get is that SLP is dropping down now towards its main support level at 31 and 3100 and 3000, and from there, or 3000 is also 0.3 cents, so it's 0.003. But you know what I mean. So we'll see a drop down to that level, and then if SLP is able to hold that level and consolidate on top of that, then I think it's just a matter of time before SLP gets that bullish breakout, because that would be a major bullish confirmation. We got a breakout, hit a major resistance, but then formed a new foundation of support at that previous resistance level. So we're still going to have to wait for that, all right? Because there is a scenario in which Bitcoin retraces quite a bit here, and that SLP will fall down below 3000. And in that case, we'll probably get some more bearish momentum down towards 2500 and set up a consolidation lower. And from there, it's not as clear that SLP will rally up all the way to 4200. So this is a scenario. It's not most likely right now, but you should be prepared for it, because if we get a lot of bearish momentum, like I said, from the markets, then SLP might not hold 3000. And that's the most important level right now. I expect it to hold, but wait for that confirmation first before making any trades. All right. Those are my thoughts. That's my full update on SLP. Hopefully it was valuable for you. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I'll see you all in my next videos. For now, take care and bye.